Castle Part 22, Season 4. We're so close to Season 5. Make sure to like and subscribe. Now, I'm pretty sure we have 417 subscribers. Why do you guys keep unsubscribing? Just literally, you're going to see the new update. But you don't know what it is. But you're going to see it like right now. Guys, guess what? I have an new announcement for cat school. What is it? Are we going to? How do you just do a front flip? IDK. Anyways, can you guess what it is? We're going to the zoo again. Wait, why did you say that? Did you? I want to kiss all the animals. Why did you say that, Star? I'm so sorry. Oh no, Marcy, we're not going to the zoo. Oh man, I want to kiss all the animals. Well, today is a special day. To all you cats, and especially the viewers. Because guess what, everybody? What is it? There is a new park? No. There is a new student! Wow, I can't wait to see the new student. It's been like a bajillion years. Yeah. Man, Cat's has changed a lot. It's been 1 year for our channel. Thank you so much, guys, for all the support. Yeah. Anyway, guys, let's show the new students. I can't wait. Can you go into your desk? Okay. Alright. This is the new student. Who is the new student? Introduce your name. My name's Zeke. Where are you? Oh. Guys, we got a new student yet? Whoops. Wait. How many cats do you have in your school? We have, let's just, whoa. Hey. We have 21 cats. Wow! 20, that's a lot. Whoops. Ew! Well, that's kind of surprising. Can you guys introduce your names to me? Alright, my name's Star. My name's Peaches. My name's Mushroom. My name's Maxwell. My name's Charlie. My name's Liam. My name's Whiskers. My name's Milky. My name's Oreo. My name's Kiki. My name's Nectarine. My name's Marshmallow. My name's Luna. My name's Ninja. My name's Jinx. My name's Coco. My name's Chai. My name's Moo. My name's Cheeto. And my name is Laurie. Nice to meet you guys. Anyways, you can all go out to reset. So that was the announcement, guys, of the viewers. So, yeah. Star, were you trying to do a front flip? Yeah, I can do it. Bro! Is this video going? Marcia, what are you doing? Trying to do a handstand. I'm gonna do a front flip. Okay, watch me. Bruh! You dumb desk! Hey, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do a front flip! What the heck was that? Wait, no, it has to be perfect. Thank you, Maxwell, but it's not perfect! No! episode 1, season 1, when I got a jumpy boost. Oh my gosh! Why do you have to keep reminding us that to us? You haven't said that in a long time, and now you remember that? Yeah, I'm sing it. I got a jumpy boost. I got a jumpy boost. I got a jumpy boost. Okay, what the heck is that mushroom talking about? Yeah, he's pretty dumb. Really? Yeah, he's pretty dumb. Oh my gosh. You know what? 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 Sorry. Cow. Hi, Mushroom. Hi, Zeke. What do you want to do? Do you want to be my friend, or do you want to kiss each other, and you want to marry? What did you say? Nothing. Anyways, so, do you want to be friends? Yeah, sure. Why are you doing this? This is only the first time you met me. Can you guys just get out of here and just go to recess already? I'm just running out of words. What do you mean running out of words? I hate Mushroom! Why do you hate me? This is the first time you made me and you already hate me? Wow, Laurie said that you're dumb. That's not true! Yeah, it is. Just some point, I'm gonna see your dumbness when we go to recess. No, you're not. Bye-bye. Where are you going? I could go somewhere else. Oh, past the wall. Wait, do I see something yellow over there? I'm gonna go check what it is. Oh, hi, Ducker. What were you doing past the wall? I was checking you. I thought you were gonna go past the wall, but you only came. Yeah, I was trying to go somewhere. None of your business. Or should I say none of your beeswax? So I can get your wax out? No! Okay. Sweet, sweet home. Dumb cat. Happy birthday! Oops, sorry, pillow. I wonder what my parents are doing. They're probably at work. Wait, where's brush room? Now I just wondering. What? Double jump! Triple jump! Ah! Quadruple jump! But quint jump. What? Six to jump. Now I just gotta sit. Alright, there we go. Wait, you know what? I'm gonna do something to my bedroom a little bit. Instead of watching TV, I'm just gonna see what I'm gonna do. Oh, my little bed. My little pillow. My little pillow protected me. Thank you, pillow. Well, now, let's just clone this. Oh no! Oopsie, I burped. Sorry, guys. There we go! Wait, something new! Mushroom! And you know what it is for? Mush and room! And it's my room! So yeah, I mush, and then it's my room! Mushroom! That's perfect! Now I can keep that with me, and I can just rest in my pillow. Where's Mushy been? He's been gone for like a bajillion minutes. How many times have we said bajillion? Probably like a bajillion times. Guys, just stop saying bajillion. Yeah, stop saying bajillion. Guys, just count how many times we counted bajillion. Okay, just enough with the bajillion stuff. What if I call out his name? Yeah, like a bajillion times. Oh! Mushroom! Where are you? Mushroom! Mushroom, where are you? Mushroom, mushroom, where are you? Oh my gosh, mushroom, mushroom, where are you? 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 Is that him? Yeah, I think so. Class recess. Okay, whatever you say, mushroom. It's up. Guys, he loves me. And you love me too when I'm new. Well, I'm not new. And you guys loved me alone. Guys, just look away, okay? Alright, here's my secret bed that I've been keeping away from everybody. And no one can stop me. So now I just gotta go in my hole. Why do you hear so many farts? Oh my gosh! Well, I know you still farted because I don't think Ducker would do that. Yeah, I would not do that. Trust me, that was a mushroom. I saw him farting. Well, Ducker could be lying, but I'm on Ducker's team right now. Well, just in case, I'm going to find out what is going on. Oh, whoa, 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 what is this hole? Why am I seeing bathroom stuff? And why do I see poop? No! Why was he peeing? Ah! Mushroom! Did he forget to flush the toilet? That was mushroom! Because there's no way that even smelled like mushroom. Mushroom, that was you. It was? Yes, it even smelled like mushroom. Mushroom had a secret bathroom, and I smelled it, and it smelled like mushroom, and it was just one of his poop and pee. Ah! Mushroom, you are disgusting. What is going on, guys? Oh, Mushroom just being dumb and all that stuff. He likes to poop and pee and fart. Ew! He is dumb! You're right, Laurie! Yep, I already knew I was right. This is your first day here, right? Yep. Mushroom, I hate you so much. Stop it! I'll give you a big kiss. You know what? That's it. Bruh. I can't walk, guys. You know what? I'll attach you. So what? Just what is this? What is this doing right now? Whoa! Why am I hanging from it? Whoa! Get me out of this thing! You know what? I'm not gonna make it spin. Ah, get me out of this thing! Just rip out of me. I can do more damage than that. Sorry, guys. Well, you know what to put in it? What? A wheelchair! Oh, that's the greatest idea in the world. I want it. Yeah, get him in a wheelchair! Get him in a wheelchair! Guys, why do you want me in a wheelchair? That's a little bit suspicious. What do you mean it's suspicious? It's awesome. Yeah. No, it's not. Yes, it is. 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 No, it's not. Guys, just cut the cat. But everyone knows that Mushroom's dumb and all, but Mushroom is actually dumb. But what? April Fools! It's not even April Fools! blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Can I explain what's happening here? Oh yeah, that's Puff. That's Puffball from BFDI, aka Battle for Dream Island again. A teapot. And BFB. What? La la la. Oh my God. La la la. Yahoo! I wanted. Wow. Oh yeah. Wait, wasn't that from BFDIA 1? Yahoo! I wanna know. Oh. Actually, just kidding. I don't know anything about BFDI. Well, I didn't read. Well, was BFCI the same thing? Means I didn't rejoin BF. I didn't join BFCI. Oh yeah, we do BFCI. What? This is not that much of a good episode. Did I hear something over there? Did you guys say that this is not that much of a good episode? This is like the best episode in the world. You're just not respecting the channel. I know, but like this episode is like we can make it better. For's lava? No. Why are we doing it? 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 Why are we doing it in the school? Why are we doing it in the school? Why the heck are we doing it in the school? That's just illegal. I don't care. Oh my gosh, why is it lava? I gotta make it on. Oh my gosh, Ducker, no. Ducker, my secret bathroom. Has he still be alive? I think he's still alive. And my house is still alive. Let's go. Well, I'm not focusing on that right now. I'm focusing on this. Oh my gosh. Why the floor of lava? Ah! It's like floor of lava. Oh my gosh, this steam. I can't breathe. No, I can't. I have to stay. I have to stay. It's floor of lava, guys. Mrs. Star did this. Let's get her off. No. We got Mrs. Star off and just get mushy out. Well, now we just gotta get mushroom out. And where's the real mushroom? IDK. Guys! It's me. I'm gonna get mushroom out. No! Oh no, I'm sorry, Cheeto. No, I can do a jungle jump. Cheeto! Whoa! You guys don't know what to do. A challenge. Whoa! This random stuff are gonna be popping out of the ground, and your goal is to try to survive. Oh my gosh! How? Oh, it almost saved me up, and I almost fell in the lava. Oh my gosh! No! What? We can win this together, Moo! Yeah. Oh, you think you're gonna win? Huh? Boom! I'm gonna save you! Wait, no, I can't do that. I gotta win for Moo. in a close one. Square time. Oh my god! Star did not survive. Mr. Peaches did not survive. Oh my gosh. I could have been doomed. Oh my god! Nectarine did not survive. No! I gotta get on. Oh my gosh! What? Oh my gosh! No! You're not the real Michael. Not the real Maxwell. Hello. Okay. Oh my god! Get along here! Yeah. Wow! Here's a little rope. Hiya! Where did they come from? What was it? It roped. Because I'm so scared. I'm gonna win this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh. Wait, no. Maxwell, follow me. We'll be safe out here, Maxwell. Yeah. Well, not for long. Think a little baby can outsmart us? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Get it out of here. Yeah, get him out. Oh my gosh. I almost just touched the lava. Marshmallow, you better be careful. I win. Instead of focusing on Maxwell and Marshmallow, I'm just gonna let me get out the way. Oh, you can mute those Peaches. Okay, we can win this together. Maybe not. I gotta kick the basketball high enough so I can hit the other one that are across me. At least I scored. Or did I score in the wrong way? Okay, whatever it was, whatever. Oh yeah! Oh, why did basketball? Oh no, basketball probably fell on this one. I had that. Wait, Whiskers, we can go over there to survive. Sorry, Liam, but there's no way. No way I'm gonna be doing that. Wasn't that a reference from Inanity Insanity episode 1? Yeah, wasn't that a reference? Totally not. It was totally yes, because Pepper was like, I think it was Pepper. It was like, come on, let's jump together and I'm saucing. No, there's no way I'm gonna be doing that. Well, I have confidence now. Okay, let's go together. Well, first it's gonna be me. Okay. I hope you make it, Liam. I will. Don't worry, Whiskers. Hiya! buddy. Too bad, too sad. Oh, yeah? Zeke lost! Wow! It's just Ninja, Peaches, Maxwell, and Marshmallow. And Whiskers. Who do you think will survive? Huh, this should be easy. I want to win this thing, sorry guys. Wait, do 3 of us win or just one person? Sorry, Maxwell, but I have to do this. No! There's no way. I wish I didn't do that, but I had to. I just want to win. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad now. Why did I do that to Marcy? Well, it's just Maxwell and Whiskers. I'm totally gonna be you. No! I am. Alright,